Ooh, this is a super sexy half up, half down style to start off the video. Very 90s inspired. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Style News Network. So today we're going to be checking out some more short hairstyle ideas. Loving this honey blonde bob for the next style. Super cute. And then here we have a platinum bob with the center part down the middle. Color is absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we have someone styling their TWA. So she wets the hair with the spray bottle, then proceeds to add the mousse and do some coils. And she's really taking her time here, working in sections. Finishing off with a diffuser to dry the hair. And that's a nice, easy way to get some definition. So moving right along, here we have someone who decided to chop off their hair. Very nice aesthetic hair salon. Ooh, that stylist is going to town. So she must be going super short for this makeover. Ooh, very pretty all black Pixie. She's got the waves. Oh my goodness, she looks gorgeous. And then here we have someone getting a Pixie refresh. Stylist also has a Pixie. I love the stylist blonde hair color. Like, that is just the perfect shade of blonde for her. It looks like she got a lot of curls in the waves. Very pretty. So then we got someone rocking out some chocolate brown color. Looks like she's going to be doing her own hair. Now she's got a super short kind of mini bob style for the cut. Very cute. And I love the way that the color looks. Next up, we got an all black Pixie. Look at all those curls. Her face is so pretty. It kind of looks like a doll, or she kind of looks like a doll. And then we have our last transformation. So it looks like she is going to be getting some color here. Beautiful, bright blonde, faded cut with a design. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.